In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to use the remote start on a 2023 Buick Encore. If you have a remote that looks like this and it has that little button up there that looks like a circle with an arrow on it, that's the remote start button. To set or to start the vehicle, I'm going to press the lock button one time and then press and hold the remote start button. The vehicle is just started up. To actually get in the vehicle and drive it, what I'll do is I'll go into the vehicle. The vehicle is on but can't be driven currently until I press down on the brake pedal at the same time pushing the start button. You'll notice that the instrument cluster all lights back up, and now you're ready to drive. That's all there is to it. If you thought this was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.